When it comes to interactive storytelling, Kuki and AI Dungeon are two AI chatbots that stand out, each offering a unique experience. But which one truly delivers the most engaging, immersive stories? Let's dive into both and find out which one is better for those looking for an interactive storytelling experience. First, let's talk about Kuki. It's an AI chatbot designed with a friendly, conversational tone that can hold a back and forth chat with users. What makes Kuki special is its focus on having fun, casual conversations. Whether you're joking around, asking about Kuki's favorite activities, or engaging in a simple chat, it's incredibly responsive and often seems almost human. The downside here is that Kuki's storytelling is more limited. While you can engage in stories, they don't tend to be as deep or immersive as you might expect from a dedicated storytelling platform. Next, we have AI Dungeon. This platform is all about creating deeply interactive stories. With AI Dungeon, you can dive into entire worlds of adventure, from fantasy realms to sci-fi universes. It's designed to let you take control, making decisions that shape the outcome of your story. One of the highlights of AI Dungeon is its adaptability. It doesn't just stick to predefined scripts, but generates new plots based on the choices you make. However, while this can lead to some incredible and surprising narratives, the AI doesn't always get it right. Sometimes the logic can feel off, or the story can take unexpected turns that don't quite make sense. The third thing we need to address is ease of use. Kuki is incredibly user-friendly. It's designed for casual conversations, so it's easy to jump right into a chat. However, its simpler approach doesn't allow for the depth or flexibility that you might be looking for if you want a full, customizable adventure. In comparison, AI Dungeon requires a bit more patience. You'll need to craft your prompts carefully, and sometimes it can take a bit to get the AI to generate the exact kind of story you want. That said, the depth of its storytelling capabilities makes it worth the extra effort for those seeking a more complex and engaging experience. The fourth thing to mention is the community aspect. AI Dungeon has a large, active community that shares and collaborates on stories, which can add a lot of value. You can jump into other users' adventures or create your own and share them for feedback. Kuki, on the other hand, is more of a solo experience, with no real community-based sharing of stories. This makes Kuki a bit more limited if you're looking for a larger community of like-minded storytellers. Both Kuki and AI Dungeon have premium features, but I think it's worth noting that AI Dungeon's paid version unlocks even more powerful features, including custom story creation, special genres, and the ability to save your stories. Kuki also has some premium features, but these are more geared towards enhancing chat experiences rather than offering more depth in interactive storytelling. So, here's the thing, while both Kuki and AI Dungeon have their merits, if you're looking for a truly immersive and interactive storytelling experience, AI Dungeon is the way to go. It's designed for those who want to get lost in a world of adventure, fantasy, or sci-fi, and while it's not always perfect, the ability to craft your own narrative and explore different outcomes sets it apart from Kuki. The software mentioned in this video are good options, but after trying them both myself, I'd say that if you want a better alternative for creating truly engaging interactive stories, you should check out the free trial linked in the description. By using our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers. Don't miss out on this chance to take your storytelling to the next level.